Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I am going to show you guys how to fix your trading 2FA in Rocket League. Now in order to fix this error, first you need to go to Epic Games official website and then you need to click on Sign In tab on the top right hand corner. And then you need to sign into Epic Games with your main platform. Once you logged in, then you need to hover over to your username and then click on Account tab. And then you need to click on Password and Security tab. And then you need to scroll down a bit. And this is where you will find and enable one or all 2FA options. And if you want to trade in Rocket League, then you only need to enable one option here. So guys, these are the steps you only need to do if you want to trade in Rocket League. I hope this information is helpful for you. If so, then don't forget to like, share the video, and we will talk soon. Goodbye.